Figured I'd do a short little breakdown video here, but we haven't had the nicest of riding season for the past bit, so I haven't gotten to do much. But swap the colors on those. Yes, I have done a couple tuning runs, but as you see, the yard is kinda poo. Everything's just gone to slop. But all in all, yummy. That thing is installed. I can go past the stock limit on that motor for now, so it ain't gonna live much longer. Especially since I swapped off the rear sprocket to a bigger 58 tooth. A lot more torque in her. But yeah. Minor, major, still love it.